guys, Justin from SharpTruck here. Today I'm going to show you what you get in the Super Duty kit for a 2017 and up Ford Super Duty single rear wheel. To start off, you're going to get the 12x23 flaps for the front. You're going to get your choice of logo on there. These are just going to have the stainless steel plate, but these will be the 23-inch long flaps for the front. You're going to get the 12-inch wide by 26-inch long flaps for the rear. Since the back end of that Super Duty is up a couple extra inches, you want to get the flaps that are 3 inches longer to kind of give you a little more even. Then you're going to get the front no-drill mounting brackets. It's all aluminum, has all the hardware that you need. And you're also going to get the rear no-drill aluminum mounting brackets. This will be everything you need to get these flaps installed on your truck.